Why would you want a mini PC with a special case? Maybe you want it to make a statement or keep it from overheating. So what do you look for in a case? Welcome to the Mini PC Tech channel, where we talk about everything mini PC. This is Mike, your host. Today we're diving into the world of mini PC cases. A world of lights, fans, and glass. If you like videos like these, remember to subscribe to find out when new videos come out. Whether you're a seasoned builder or new to the game, selecting the right case is crucial for your setup. Let's explore what to look for in a mini PC case, ensuring you make the best choice for your needs. When it comes to mini PC cases, size does matter. You want a case small enough to hold all of your components but large enough to keep the heat from burning up your computer. The form factor of your case determines not just the size of the motherboard it can accommodate, but also how it fits into your space. From ITX to micro ATX, choosing the right size is your first step toward a custom build that meets your specific requirements. Heat management is key in a compact space. Good airflow prevents overheating, preserving the longevity of your components. Whether you prefer air cooling or water cooling, ensure your mini PC case supports adequate ventilation. Remember, efficient cooling is a cornerstone of performance. It prevents overheating, allows for higher overclocking, and improves system stability. The materials of your mini PC case affect not just aesthetics but also durability. From sleek aluminum to robust steel and elegant tempered glass, each material offers a unique blend of style and function. Prioritize build quality to ensure your case stands the test of time. Build quality is not just a buzzword. You should look at the materials used, the precision engineering, the finish and coating, the structural integrity, the thermal management, and cable management. The materials used in the construction of the component or system play a significant role in its durability and heat dissipation. Look for products that showcase precision in their engineering. This includes tight tolerances, precise cutouts, and seamless assembly. The finish and coating on a product can protect it from environmental factors, such as moisture and dust, and reduce the risk of scratches and corrosion. Structural integrity means that the overall design should provide stability and support to all components, especially under stress or when transporting the system. This includes a sturdy frame and support structures that prevent bending, warping, or breaking. Thermal management includes adequate ventilation, heat sinks, and the option to add cooling solutions like additional fans and radiators. Cable management contributes to better airflow, easier maintenance, and a cleaner aesthetic. Look for features like cable routing channels, tie points, and enough space behind the motherboard tray. Design goes beyond looks. It's about how well a case blends with your environment and meets your aesthetic preferences. Let's consider color scheme, texture, noise level, and lighting. Choosing a case with a color scheme that matches or complements the room's color palette can significantly affect how well it blends in. Neutral colors like black, white, or gray are versatile and tend to fit well in most settings. The textures used can influence how a case interacts with its environment. Matte finishes, brushed metal, or wood accents can add a touch of sophistication and help the case integrate with the room's decor. A design that prioritizes quiet operation helps the case blend in not just visually but also acoustically. From cooling capabilities to design aesthetics and build quality, consider what matters most for your build. Cases with sound dampening materials, quiet fans, and solid construction minimize noise, making them less noticeable in a quiet room. Finally, consider what you want in lighting. RGB lighting can be a striking feature. The ability to customize or completely turn off lighting helps a case blend into more subdued or professional environments. Cases with subtle or no external lighting are less distracting and more likely to complement a variety of settings. Whether you're looking for a case with a window panel to showcase your components or a minimalist design, there's a mini PC case out there for you. Future-proofing your build means considering expansion and connectivity. Look for a case with enough slots for additional drives and adequate ports for all your peripherals. This flexibility allows your setup to grow and change with your needs. A user-friendly design can significantly ease the building process. Features like tool-less access, cable management options, and a well-thought-out internal layout can make assembly and upgrades a breeze, even for beginners. Now let's explore several cases to help you understand what to look for. These cases are by no means the best on the market. They are best sellers and great for beginners because of all of the people who have used them and can give you great advice if this is your first attempt to build or update a mini PC. The NZXT H210 is a standout choice for those who value both form and function. Its tempered glass side panel and support for up to 240mm radiators make it a versatile option for air and water cooling enthusiasts alike. Users praise its design quality and easy cable management, though some note compatibility issues with SFX power supplies. Next, we have the Lian RGB gaming case. This case lights up any setup with its ARGB lighted PWM fans that easy sync with motherboards. Its airflow design and ease of assembly are big pluses. However, the absence of a USB-C port and some concerns about customer support are points to consider. Finally, for those on a budget, the Cooler Master Q300LV2 offers great value. Its layout accommodates larger GPUs, and the cable management is commendable. However, be mindful of potential airflow issues that could lead to overheating. Its tempered glass side panel and versatile fan support make it a strong contender in the affordable range. If you're interested in any of these cases, check the links in the description. Choosing the right mini PC case is about balancing needs and preferences. We've covered some top choices today, but the perfect case for you meets your specific requirements. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. And don't forget to check out our website for in-depth reviews and discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.